Is that good?
Yes!
Oh my god.
My Shayla.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your